Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video, a short one here. And this is how to resolve the rotating thumbstick on the PS5 controllers. So I have this controller for some time now, and due to a lot of heavy usage, the thumbstick started to rotate. So as you can see here, it rotates like this. Yeah, and definitely. And it's really hard to play competitive games when you try to keep a steady position, and this always rotates, and you lose the grip. So you can imagine you can still use it, but it's a lot of hustle to to do it correctly. So as you can see, this one, it's fine, doesn't have anything, but this one has this problem. So in this video, I want to show you how to easily fix this problem. Of course, there is the correct way, and I encourage you to do the correct way of disassembling the entire controller and order from AliExpress or Amazon or whatever a new thumbstick, and just replace these thumbsticks, and you will not have any more problems. But if you want to resolve it quickly, this is how to do it. So in order to repair this, you will need some household stuff. First of all, you will need some alcohol. In this case, I have some isopropyl alcohol, but you can use any alcohol, or also sanitary alcohol if you have. This is just to remove the grease that is behind the thumbsticks for the glue to stick to it. Yeah, you will need a two-way or a two-part epoxy hardener glue. Yeah, you will need a ear pick. This is for cleaning the area, and of course a toothpick or whatever stick you have to prepare and apply the glue behind. Yeah, so I would say here, if you want to do this, take your time and take your patience. Don't run the glue inside the controller. You will do much more damage than repairing it. So with this disclaimer aside, you are now warned. Yeah. So first, let's take some isopropyl alcohol and clean. So first of all, as you can see, the middle part of the stick, this is fixed. Yeah, the head, let's call it like this, it's rotating. So here, as you can see, here there is some grease, yeah, from the thumbs by playing, some sweat, dirt, whatever. Yeah, you need this to be cleaned. Yeah, really good. Okay, and now let's take a little bit of glue. You don't need a huge amount, just a little bit. This would be enough. Okay, and with the toothpick, let's combine the hardener and the glue. It depends on the glue you have. I have a really hard one, like plastic one. This will be just fine. It hardens really slow, but that's not a big problem. And take just a little bit, and take your time with this step. For example, just put the thumbs aside. Be careful not to run glue outside of this area. Yeah. Don't put huge amount, just a little bit. Okay. Be really careful. I really hope you can see what I'm doing here. And we need some additional, after inspecting over here. Oopsie doopsie. Take your time with this step. Don't rush it. You don't want glue oh, I put glue on the other stick. I was not paying attention. So this is the one with the problem. Okay, so I put glue all the way around. Actually, I put glue also on the good stick, but doesn't matter. It reinforced it, yeah? And now let's wait to the glue to harden, but don't put it like this. Put it like this, yeah? The glue will run down, yeah? You don't want the glue to run inside the controller, okay? So find a plain surface, yeah, like this. Let's put something here, like so, and we'll leave it like this for some time. Yeah, in this case, the specific glue that I have, it's for 24 hours. In 24 hours, it will be like plastic. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. If you have any question, just leave it in the comment section below. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.